Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial where I will be showing you how to access your health assessment certificate. First of all, you will need to log into your Buena Vida portal through webmdhealth.com/Buena Vida. If you have not registered yet, click on Create Account and take the steps to get registered. You can also do this through the mobile application, and there is a QR code provided. Once you're logged in, if you've never taken your health assessment, you will see a card prominently displayed at the top of the page for taking your health assessment. Click on Take Assessment. If you have taken your health assessment before, click on the hamburger menu, which is at the top right-hand corner of your page, and then go to Health Assessment. Complete your assessment if you haven't already. This should take you less than 10 minutes. Once you have completed your assessment, you will see a screen that shows your wellness score and recommendations based on how you answered questions. Under the Take Action section, right below your wellness score, you can now click on the Certificate of Completion for the health assessment. This will provide you with a PDF that you can fill in with your own name and the date you completed your assessment. You can print or email the certificate and use it however you need for your employer. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to access your health assessment certificate through the Buena Vida portal.